Come up against me, it's just gonna be a little
Go ahead
rocky.
and show all the hot sauces on there.
All right. Real quick, impromptu hot challenge. We've got 5 hot sauces from Hell's Kitchen. They consist of sriracha, green chili pepper, whiskey habanero. Is it? That may be hot. And chipotle chocolate hot sauce. Chocolate. Nah. Then ghost pepper. So I've got Mark and Justin. We're gonna do this. What are y'all gonna do? Which ones you gonna do?
We're gonna go from the smallest to the hottest.
Oh, okay.
That way, cause you know it's gonna get hotter as you take them. So you're gonna want the hottest one last.
Oh, we're gonna. It's already recorded. Make sure you hold it up where you see us. Can you see us?
Yes.
Are we good?
Yes.
All right.
Have fun.
We're gonna start with
There you go,
sriracha.
Molly, they're doing it.
I'm just gonna go ahead and open all these up here. I know, I'm gonna open them all up. Oh wait.
Pay attention to your viewfinder.
You know I'm no cameraman, right? I was just brought on the set. Yes, I can see all of you.
Which one's the hottest one of those?
Probably the ghost pepper.
If they already done mixed up now. They only mixed up. Wait, hang on, let me get some more here.
Yeah, you see? Yeah.
You stirred?
No, I'll just mix in the bottles.
You need to like half the bottle on it.
How much y'all got?
A lot.
I'll try to make it even here. Alright. So ready?
That's sriracha.
I ain't bad.
I'm not trying it.
More sweet than hot.
I'm gonna run it.
Did you shake that one?
Mm-mm.
That's all the pepper in the bottom. I'm thinking this is this that green stuff they got like at the
Mexican restaurants. Yeah.
My neck.
Oh, wait, that's a little bit thinner.
Yeah, it's a little thin.
That's not quite
And
so.
this is what? Green chili. Right? That tastes like Frank's hot sauce. That's awesome. That's pretty good.
That one? No, I think that one was next and then that one.
That's pretty good. This one.
Wait, what's the hottest?
Whiskey habanero. This is gonna be a little bit hotter. Here. Too hot for you?
No.
Oh, yeah, I agree.
The ghost paper?
Yeah.
Turn it up.
I already ate some of my hot sauce. It's already cooked in here. Someone's up to turn the heat on.
Come on, turn it up.
That's good.
I feel good.
That's not really hot.
No,
Good.
it's got a good flavor.
we do this? We ain't done this one.
No.
What did we do right there?
The whiskey
Oh, that's the
habanero.
habanero. So we actually skipped this. It's gonna be even less. I probably won't like this one.
Did you try that one?
Which one's that one?
That chocolate one.
Chocolate chipotle.
That's probably gonna taste
And I
disgusting.
came,
As long as you don't go a little bit forward, you won't be.
That one.
Did you try that one?
Does it taste like chocolate?
It's not hot. It's like got vinegar in it or something.
I don't like chocolate taste.
No.
The ghost pepper.
This is the final one.
No.
Oh,
Wait, it didn't make a spot.
that's it.
You in the camera.
Down right there. That's nasty. It's not even hot.
Alright,
You can gift that bottle.
big ghost pepper.
I'm trying to get all of you in frame. It's breaking my back.
That's ghost pepper.
I just rub it in, it'll be alright.
Good thing I'll put it in here.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, pick my phone. That tastes like ghost pepper.
Is it hot?
Warm.
It could be extract though, maybe not
You
ghost pepper
need to stuff
extract.
in a little
It's
bit.
ghost pepper.
No, it's just
Not as hot as what I thought.
no, it's
You want to try?
No, no,
I don't think it's gonna kill us. Evil looking. But that does got, that's probably the most potent.
That does have a
Ghost
kick.
pepper in.
I'll chug it for all the money in your wallet. I'll chug 4 of them. For $1.
I ain't got one. That has got, that is good.
Should I stop
That's
recording?
really chili.
That's all you can say.
Should I stop recording?
Best flavor is gonna be the whiskey. This one.
All right, guys, we survived
Well,
5 bottles. I want to thank Mark and Justin being part of the video. Mark likes hot stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe we get him some videos.
Oh yeah.
Justin likes a little bit hot. We're gonna burn him up.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put some Reaper on him. All right, thanks.